Meghalaya, the abode of clouds, where every corner hides a secret. Among its majestic valleys lie waterfalls still less explored. We are the We Did Story, and today we take you on a journey to explore one such beauty. And before chasing Meghalaya's wonders, this was our little corner to call home.
Finally reached. The journey had much fun.
Yes, almost 1.5 hours extra. But the room's quite cozy, right?
Yeah, it is.
Babes, I think I found a place.
Sure.
See, this is us on the map, and this is the place. It's very near, it's like 1.4 kilometers from here. How's the place? Nice, no? I think we have to trek for a bit.
Well, that's not a problem.
Yeah, that's
because
not a
it's
problem.
quite near.
It's quite near. So we're going there tomorrow then.
Okay.
Okay?
Done.
Okay then. So I think we should better go to sleep now. We have to wake up early now.
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay then.
Okay.
Let's go to sleep.
Okay. Let's go sleep. Feeling ready for the day, surrounded by these tall pine trees, it's time for us to start our journey. The stream was flowing right behind us, and we could hear its sound all night long. Meghalaya's beauty can never be fully captured. A stream flowing right past your stay. It's a picture perfect morning with your loved one. Yesterday, a local gave us the name of a waterfall that is not very far from here. A waterfall that has been less explored. Sometimes, the best journeys begin when you step out of your comfort zone. Sangeeta and I have already stepped out of it, and we decided trek to the spot on foot. How far is it showing?
600 meters.
600 meters. Okay.
that?
We were so happy to have found this place. Meghalaya isn't just about waterfalls, it's about the land itself. An experience so unique it deserves to break boundaries far beyond India. And every time we have been here, we have discovered a little more of ourselves, making us value us even more.
We have cooked. These are called kidney beans. And we did. There's macaroni. Have some tuna. Which cut it.
Leave it.
We have discovered what we truly love, and this
Nice, huh?
is only the beginning.
Mm.
A world full of stories is waiting, and together we'll explore them all. We wish everyone a very happy Independence Day, and this is TheWeDidStory signing off. This is Kyrdemkhla, just an hour away from Shillong. The waterfall lies in the village of Momisyang, only a short walk away.